Hello, welcome back to excelmind. In today's video we'll learn how to get list of file name from specific folder. On screen you can see we had our folder path in cell A. We'll get the list of files which is under this folder. Under this folder we had total 12 files. And we'll get the name list of all these files through index formula. We'll show you how it will work. We just have to enter the formula, and it will pull the list name and add then in row on Excel sheet. If you want specific format of file. Example, if we want only MP4 then, type MP4 next to asterisk. You can see we have only one MP4 file under folder, so it gave only one result, and if you remove format, it will give complete list. So, let's start our tutorial with creating a new sheet. First, we would be needing a path of a folder under cell A. So, our folder is under E drive as per screen. So, let's write path under cell A as E:\. Our folder name that is excelmind / then asterisk. We want complete list so we'll end till asterisk. If you want specific format file then add format next to asterisk. Now let's create a name for our path. Go to Formula tab, and click Define Name. Under File Name, you can type anything, we have written, Namelist. And under, refers to, type equals files and under bracket select cell where your path is. For us it's cell A. Then click OK. If you want to check or amend, it can be done through Name Manager. Now, let's write the formula under cell B. And our formula will be equals index and under bracket type the name which we created. Then comma row open and close bracket then complete the formula. If you had created array with another name, then use that in place of Namelist. Drag the formula down or copy and paste it under below cells. You can see we got error just after the list end. And this is because we have only 12 files, so after its end it gives error, if formula added on 13th cell. So, we don't want this error to appear. And to resolve this, we have to add if error before our index formula. Now our formula will search for list through index. But if error happens then it should give us as blank cell. So, at the end of formula add 2 inverted commas. Now it's working fine, it will give list and, if list end, then it will give blank cell instead of error. We have added formula under video description. Let's check by creating a new file under the same folder. We have created Excel file with name testing. Now let's reset our formula or re-add it. You can see new file name is added under list. And total count is now 13. We hope you had enjoyed our training. Thank you and keep watching for more Excel tutorial. Do subscribe to channel so that you don't miss our updates.